Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a compact SUV that has emerged as a smart and eco-friendly choice for urban buyers. The 2025 Hyundai Exter CNG. With this model, Hyundai aims to strike the perfect balance between affordability, practicality, and fuel efficiency. So without wasting any time, let's dive into a detailed review of the new Exter. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that catches your eye. The 2025 Exter CNG features a bold and modern front fascia. The LED DRLs, projector headlamps, and Hyundai's signature grille give it a confident stance. The dual-tone pastel green and black color option really helps the car stand out on city streets. At the rear, sharp LED tail lamps, Exter badging, and a sporty bumper round out the styling. Despite its compact size, the Exter offers a very SUV-like presence, which is quite impressive. Moving to the interior, the cabin comes with a dual-tone dashboard that features soft touch elements. At the center, there's an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster, steering-mounted controls, and automatic climate control, all of which add a rich and premium feel for this segment. The seats are fabric, but with contrast stitching that enhances the premium touch. Overall, the cabin feels spacious, especially for a compact SUV, and offers great visibility for the driver. In terms of performance, the Exter CNG is powered by a 1.2-liter bi-fuel engine that can run on both petrol and CNG. In CNG mode, it produces around 69 PS of power and 95 Nm of torque. These figures are more than adequate for daily city driving, especially if fuel economy is a top priority for you. The gear shifts are smooth and the clutch is light, which really helps in traffic. Since the CNG kit is factory fitted, you can count on solid installation quality and safety. Hyundai claims a mileage of around 27 km per kilogram in CNG mode, which makes it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Hyundai hasn't compromised on safety either. The car comes standard with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, speed alerts, and seatbelt reminders. The top variants even offer a rear-view camera and more advanced features. It's quite reassuring to see such a comprehensive safety package in this price range. Now, speaking of what makes this car stand out, the biggest USP of the Exter CNG is its unique blend of modern design, a tech-rich cabin, and high fuel efficiency with a factory-fitted CNG system. Its compact size is ideal for those looking for a stylish and economical SUV for city driving. The dual-tone color options and SUV-like road presence only add to its appeal. So if you're looking for a car that's stylish, fuel-efficient, and fits well within budget, the 2025 Hyundai Exter CNG definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's especially great for those who want everyday economy without compromising on looks or features. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on future car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Exter CNG and whether you'd consider it for your next car. See you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.